Hello and welcome to session number 2, getting started with Creo 6.0. In this session, we will learn about Creo Parametric 6.0 interface. On starting Creo 6.0, the initial screen of application is displayed as shown here on the screen. This is called initial screen or user interface of the Creo 6.0. The interface of the Creo 6.0 comprises several elements such as Navigator Panel, Ribbon Area, File Menu, and Browser Area. In this session, we will learn in detail about Navigator Panel. File Menu, Ribbon Area, Browser Area we will learn in the next sessions. So, coming to the Navigator Panel, the Navigator Panel is used to navigate through the folders and features. So, Navigator Panel contains 3 sub-tabs, that is Model Tree, Folder Browser, and Favorite. So first we'll see about Folder Browser. Folder Browser, through the Folder Browser we can navigate working directory and folders, files which we required for the working in the Creo 6.0 working environment. So Favorite tab is used to navigate through the favorite folder which we have saved as a favorite. As you can see here, model tree is disabled. That means the model tree will be active only when you have opened the model or assembly files. To activate this model tree, so I will open one model or part. So as you can see, now the model tree is activated. So we will learn in detail about the model tree. The model tree contains all the features that are created automatically or manually while creating the model or assemblies. Here you can see here green line. This is called as insert here mark. In the model tree, it will represent the position where the next feature will be inserted. Again, in the model tree, as you can see here, we have sub tabs. We will learn one by one as we can proceed into the course or in this tutorial. But as of now, I would like to briefly touch into the setting options. So click on the setting. As you see on this list, there are again so many options available. So we will learn one by one about all these options as we can proceed into this tutorial. But as of now, I would like to cover, or I would like to let you know in detail about tree filter and tree columns. So first one is click on the tree column, or tree filter. So as you click on the tree filter, as you can see here, display, below this we have several options, and feature types. Here we have several sub tabs. That means general first tab is defaultly it is active and all the options are checked. If you don't want any of these options, you can uncheck this. This means these options are applicable for the all general module of the Creo 6.0. So if you are into the cabling, again there are some options: piping, NC, model cost, or mechanism, simulate. Based on your feature types and application, you can enable or disable the entities to be displayed in the model tree. For example, here we are into the general, and options or entities to be displayed are here some of the checked and some of the unchecked. For example, here feature is checked, and that's why we are able to see here the features. So whatever the entities you would like to show on the model tree, you make them as a check and say apply and click on the OK. Then all the entities will be displayed on the your model tree. For example, I will show you here. Click on the setting, tree filter. So if I uncheck on the feature display entity, say OK. So all the features which were or displaying on the model tree now disappear because I have unchecked them on the setting menu. So go back to the setting, tree filter, click on the feature, apply, say OK. Then all the features are here, we can able to see. So next feature on this setting is tree column. Here we can enable or disable of the tree column. Means in the model tree there is a option called these are the rows, and whatever coming here are the columns. For example, here feature ID I shown earlier here, the feature IDs to be shown in front of the each feature. If I don't want to show this feature ID, go and select remove from the displayed option, say OK, apply OK. So now the tree columns are disappear. So similar way, so in the tree column or in the tree filter, so we can enable and disable the feature, the entities which we required to show or not show on the model tree. So this is all about the Navigator panel. There are so many options are still we have to look into that one, but as we proceed into the our course or tutorial, we will see one by one. So that's all from this session. We will meet in the session number 3. Thank you.